Today we are privileged to hear from Dr. Hikari Takeda, a 92-year-old physician with over 60 years of experience. Dr. Takeda merges modern science with Eastern wisdom to provide crucial health insights. Have you considered whether your breakfast might be hazardous to your health, especially after age 60? Dr. Takeda's advice, presented at the video's conclusion, comes from his wealth of experience and could be life-changing, potentially extending your lifespan. Sarah, one of his patients, learned the hard way that her morning bagel and coffee could trigger severe health issues, mistaking it for a heart attack. Many older individuals are unaware that specific breakfast choices can be detrimental. With Dr. Takeda's guidance, we will investigate 3 seemingly harmless breakfast items that can elevate blood pressure, jeopardize kidney health, and heighten chronic disease risk. What you learn today may greatly enhance your health and vigor in later years. Please share your city while watching, and remember to like and subscribe for vital health information that could protect you and your loved ones. Convenient breakfast options like instant oatmeal and pre-packaged pastries may seem easy to prepare, but they can negatively impact health, particularly for those over 60. Miguel, age 72, realized this when his doctor highlighted concerning blood pressure readings tied to his quick breakfast choices. Dr. Hikari Takeda, a senior health specialist, warns that as we age, our bodies become more sensitive to certain food components. Ingredients that may have little effect in one's 40s can lead to health issues later. For example, 1 packet of instant oatmeal can have up to 200 milligrams of salt, problematic for those with high blood pressure. Frozen waffles and processed meats commonly found in breakfast contain preservatives that may worsen joint pain, gastrointestinal problems, and kidney stress. Dr. Takeda emphasizes the importance of understanding food ingredients. Many of his older patients see significant improvements in their health by eliminating processed foods from their morning routines, highlighting the need for better dietary choices as we age. Many companies produce breakfast options aimed at older adults, including specially marketed breakfast bars and drinks that boast high vitamin and mineral content. However, Dr. Hikari Takeda advises that these products should be scrutinized as they can still contain processed ingredients that can be detrimental to health. Older adults often opt for these convenient breakfast drinks, yet they often include artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and other chemicals that can disrupt digestive health, particularly as sensitivity increases with age. Even seemingly wholesome whole-grain cereals may harbor hidden sugars and preservatives. If reading the ingredients requires a dictionary, it might be best to avoid them. For healthier alternatives, Dr. Takeda suggests incorporating real oatmeal prepared overnight for enhanced nutritional value over instant options. Fresh fruits combined with plain yogurt provide delicious options rich in vitamins and probiotics, while whole wheat bread with mashed avocado offers healthy fats and fiber, promoting satiety. Small changes in breakfast choices can profoundly affect long-term health. Additionally, many older adults overlook the dangers of breakfast foods high in refined sugars. A seemingly innocent breakfast could be a conduit to serious health issues, particularly for those over 60. Many individuals do not realize their morning meals can contain excessive sugars, sometimes equivalent to more than 4 candy bars. As the body's ability to process sugar diminishes with age, a sugary breakfast can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to long-term health risks like type 2 diabetes. After age 60, the pancreas struggles to produce insulin efficiently, particularly in the morning when it should ideally function without problems. Consuming a sugary breakfast can cause a rapid drop in blood sugar levels about 2 hours later, leading to feelings of tiredness, irritability, and often prompting older individuals to reach for more sugary foods, creating a harmful cycle. Many breakfasts, perceived as healthy, are actually high in sugar. For instance, fruit-flavored yogurt can contain as much sugar as ice cream, and heart-healthy cereals might surpass the sugar content of cookies. The long-term impact of elevated sugar intake can be severe, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Additionally, high sugar consumption correlates with increased inflammation, worsening joint pain and arthritis. To enjoy a healthy breakfast without refined sugars, it's essential to choose foods that are naturally sweet and rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which help stabilize blood sugar levels. Dr. Takeda recommends techniques to spot hidden sugars on labels, focusing on terms like fructose, glucose, or dextrose, as these are various sugar forms. Instead of artificial sweeteners known to disrupt blood sugar regulation, natural alternatives such as cinnamon or ripe bananas are encouraged. These options can enhance sweetness without compromising health, allowing the body to adapt and appreciate the natural flavors of foods previously overlooked. The goal should be to opt for natural sweetness that also offers nutritional benefits. Dr. Hikari Takeda highlights potential risks associated with consuming saturated fats at breakfast, especially for older adults. High saturated fat intake can lead to inflammation, joint pain, digestive issues, and an increased risk of heart disease. Additionally, fatty breakfasts may reduce the effectiveness of heart health medications taken in the morning. To promote healthier breakfasts, Dr. Takeda suggests opting for poached or boiled eggs instead of fried ones. Small dietary changes, like swapping fried bacon for turkey bacon or using avocado in place of butter, can significantly enhance long-term health. Elena, 71, shares her positive experience after making these changes, noting improved cholesterol levels, more energy, and better digestion. By adopting healthier options, older adults can improve vitality and overall quality of life. Share your healthy breakfast experiences in the comments.